Okay, we're getting ready to do a video on the 5520 John Deere skip and drag, 89 horsepower, 4x4. Go ahead and fire it up, Brent. It has 1600 and how many hours? 1651 hours. Came from a one owner, and it's a 2004 machine. Has a scraper goes with it. There are some implements that are in the auction. You'll have to see the lot numbers. We're going to just do this quick little video. 7-foot scraper. Nice tractor. Came in with the hoses for the ripper not working, need to be replaced, so somebody will have to do that. But everything, it has top and tilt on it and all the extra auxiliary hydraulics off the back. So anyway, we'll have preview on the 12th of October is preview, and that is the auction. This is just a little preview video for this tractor. Okay, thanks for watching. We're good. Okay, that's it.